Welcome to Fluent English with Shah. Did you know storytelling is one of the most powerful tools to improve spoken English? In this video, you will learn how to use simple stories to speak fluently, build vocabulary, and sound like a native English speaker. Whether you are a beginner or advanced learner, these techniques works for everyone. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video. Why storytelling? Storytelling improves your fluency, memory, vocabulary, and confidence all at once. And it's enjoyable too. Step 1. Start simple. Take a short personal story like my first day at school. Example. When I was 6 years old, I went to school for the first time. I was scared but excited. Step 2. Use the 5W formula. Who? I, my teacher. What? Went to school. When? At 6 years old. Where? My hometown. Why? To learn new things. This structure makes storytelling easy. Step 3. Add emotions and expressions. Don't just tell, feel the story. I cried a little, but then I made a friend. That emotion connects with your listener. Step 4. Practice out loud. Tell your story aloud daily. Record it, share it with friends or online. With time, you will sound more fluent and natural. Bonus tip. Use stories from books, news, or movies. Retell them in your own words. Try storytelling today and notice the difference in your fluency. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share Fluent English with Shah. See you in the next class.